Hariom, hope you're all doing well. It's been a long time we haven't met. I pray that God will be with you in every step you take, and let's hope for the good things to happen. Stay safe and take good care of yourself. Now let's get into the class with a prayer. Close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath and chant Om 3 times.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्
What are articles? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Learning objective. We will be learning about the English articles a and the. English has two types of articles, definite and indefinite. The definite article is a word. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. For example, please give me the hammer. There are some exceptional cases in choosing a or an. There are few exceptions to the general rule of using a before words that start with consonant and an before words that begin with vowels. The first letter of the word honor, for example, it is a consonant, but it's unpronounced. In spite of its spelling, the word honor begins with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use an. Uncountable nouns are nouns that are either difficult or impossible to count. Uncountable nouns include things like liquid, milk, etc. The things are too large like sand, wood are also some because these things can't be counted. You should never use a or an with them, remember. The indefinite article is only for singular noun. Uncountable nouns can be modified by words like some, however. We have already learned to use a, an, and the. These words are known as articles. Now let us learn how to use them again. We use an before words that begin with the sounds of a, e, I, o, u, that is vowels. We use a when the words begin with any other sound. Example for an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an hour. Example for the article a car, a bat, a ball, a university. So as we saw, we should use an before the consonant. But U is not a consonant here. Why do we use U? Because it is exceptional and we have to use A in front of the consonants. But we are using A before the word university. That is vowel. It is also exceptional. Why we use AN for R and A for university? This is because R sounds like ox and orange in the beginning, so we use AN. Similarly, the word university, even though starts with the letter U, has some sound as yellow and yak in the beginning, so we use A. We already know that there is used when we talk of a particular thing. The article there is also used before the names of unique things like mountains, rivers, lakes, sea, oceans, famous books, and directions. Now I'll give you some examples. Kiran sails in dash Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. We should use the because it is a country. Kiran sails in the Indian Ocean. I read dash amazing story yesterday. Here A is a vowel, so I read an amazing story yesterday. I bought dash pair of shoes. Here pair, P is a consonant, so I bought a pair of shoes.
Children, look at these pictures. This is a ball. Give me an ink bottle. The sun is hot. This is an owl. The words a and the are known as articles. We use an before words that begin with sound of vowels a, e, I, o, u. Let us see some examples. An apple, an umbrella, an orange, an heart. We use a when words begin with consonant sound. For example, a car, a bat, a ball, a university. The is used when we talk about a particular thing. Look at the sentence. This is a ball. The ball is on the table. When we talk about the same object again, we use the article the. The article the is also used before the names of unique things like mountains, the Himalayas, rivers, the Vaigai, lakes, the Ooty Lake, waterfalls, the Kutralam, seas, the Arabian Sea, ocean, the Indian Ocean, famous books, the Tirukural, islands, the Andamans, directions, the east. Write a or an before each of these words. Book, ant, chair, egg, pot, in, flag.
The answer for these words are given in the worksheet. Try to complete and finally open the worksheet and find out the answers. Learning outcome. Now we know where we have to use the article a and the. Recap. The English article a is used in front of the consonants and is used in front of the vowels, and the is used for specific things. Our eyes are continuously fixed to some eye-grabbing shows on television and smartphones. So to keep our eyes healthy, here are some eye exercise to be followed.
Sit down on the ground comfortably. Without moving your head and neck, look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides, alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
Close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath and chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।